Welcome to Beginner's Guide to SOLIDWORKS Assembly Animation lesson. In the Assembly window, select the Motion Study tab and turn off the Auto Key command. Move the time bar to 4 seconds and drag the worm gear shaft a quarter of a turn. Right-click in the worm gear shaft row and select Place Key. Press the Calculate command to start the animation. Move the time bar to 2 seconds. Right-click in the housing and select Change Transparency. Press the Calculate command to see the animation. Click in the top cover and select Hide Component. Press Calculate to see the effect. Move the time bar to 6 seconds and drag the worm gear shaft key to 6 seconds. Move the top cover start key from 0 to approximately 3 seconds. Right-click in the Start key and select Edit Key Point Time. Set the time to 3 seconds and click OK. Calculate the animation to see the result. Move the time bar to 4 seconds. Right-click in the Side Cover row and select Place Key. Move the time bar to 6 seconds. Right-click on Side Cover and select Component Display Hidden Lines Visible. Calculate the animation to see the result. Right-click in Orientation and activate Disable Playback of View keys. Rotate the view's orientation and play the animation. Notice the view is not reoriented while playing. Right-click in Orientation and turn off Disable Playback of View keys. Rotate the view's orientation and play the animation. Notice the view is reoriented. In the Animations toolbar, turn on the Auto Key command. Right-click in Orientation and turn off Disable View Key Creation. Move the time bar to 2 seconds. Right-click in the Orientation row and select Place Key. Move the time bar to 4 seconds. Rotate and zoom in the assembly approximately as indicated. Play the animation to see the result. Right-click in the Motion Study tab and select Create New Motion Study. Click in the Animation Wizard command and select the Explode option. Click Next. Set the animation duration to 30 seconds and click Finish. Calculate the animation to see the result. Drag the time bar to 1 second. Right-click on Orientation and turn off Disable View Key Creation. Zoom in the top cover to add the orientation animation. Play the animation to see the effect. Expand the Fasteners folder. Windows, select the Screws animation keys. Right-click and select Edit Key Point Time. In the Edit Time dialog, type +1 second and click OK. Play the animation to see the effect. Select the indicated screw animation keys, right-click, and select Edit Key Point Time and type -0.5 seconds. Optionally, select the animation keys and drag them in the timeline. Adjust the rest of the screws animation keys as indicated. Play the animation to see the effect. Continue adjusting the rest of the component's animation keys. Move to 6 seconds, add a key in the orientation timeline, move to 7 seconds and reorient the model to the side cover. Adjust the side cover screws timing as needed. Change the side cover and the worm gear timing. Add a new key in the orientation timeline, move the time bar and reorient the model to the other side cover. Add a new view orientation and adjust the rest of the component's animation as needed. Add a final orientation animation and recalculate the animation. Move the time bar to the start and turn on the Disable View Key Creation option. Click in the Motor command and select Rotary Motor. Select the worm gear shaft and enter the parameters indicated. Click OK to continue. Turn off the Disable View Key Creation option and recalculate the animation. Click on the Save Animation command. Select the animation options. And click Save. The animation is completely recalculated and saved at the same time.